Hi, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the T-Rex from Toy Story. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's go see what we can come up with.
For the first step in making our Rex, we're going to begin by making the head. Now to the left side of the head, we're going to make the underbelly of Rex. Awesome, now we're going to move towards the middle of the paper where we will begin to make his right arm. Now from what we just made, we're going to begin to make his right leg. Right next to the leg we just made, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give Rex a really cool tail. Now Rex doesn't only have one leg, so we have to move to the left and we have to give him one more. We also have to give him another arm. This is my favorite part. Now that we finished adding detail to Rex's body, we have to go add detail to his face. This is How to Draw Rex from Toy Story. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Rex with us.